Okay guys, we're going to review diamond problems. These are the ones where we have our x and we have two numbers on the left. The top number is going to be the product of the two numbers, which means that we multiply them together. Okay, so 4 times 8 gives us 32 on top. The bottom number is going to be the sum. Apologize for the shaky video. 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, so let's try again on this next one. Side numbers are 9 and 3. Top is going to be the product. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12 is 12. Okay, so there's our first two examples. Okay, so we started off easy, and then we moved to something like this. Okay, so here they give us a side number and a top number. So remember, the top is the product, which means 2 times something equals 16. And I know some of y'all already know that number. 2 times what is 16? But if you're not sure, you can take that top number and divide it by the side number. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So now we know that 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so now that we have the left and the right, we can add them together. 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay, try the one on the right. We have 45 on top, that's our product, 15 on the side. So I need to know what number times 15 is 45. So I'm going to take 45 divided by 15. 45 divided by 15 is 3. So now our left and right are 3 and 15. 3 times 15 is 45. 3 plus 15 is 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so that's how we do it when we have the product and one of the factors. Okay, so if you jump down to the next two, now we have a side number and the bottom number. Well, the bottom is our sum. That means we need to know 7 plus what would give us 18. Okay, so 7 plus what number is 18? So the way I find that number is I'm going to take 18 and I'm going to subtract 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. Okay, so now I have 7 plus 11 is 18. And now I can multiply to find my top number. 7 times 11 is 77. Okay, try that again over here. What number plus 2 would give us 13? So 13 is my sum. 13 minus 2 is 11. I did not use 11 again on purpose. Oh, just kidding, there's my math. So we have 11 on the side because 11 plus 2 is 13. Now I can find my top number, which is my product. 11 times 2 is 22. Okay, so this is when you say, all right, why are we doing such easy problems? Well, the reason we do the easy ones is to lead us to this. This is what we're going to need to know when we get into factoring, which we're going to start next week. Okay, now I need to know what two numbers have a product of 36 but a sum of 15. So what two numbers would multiply to give me 36 but would add up to 15? And I know some of you already see the numbers. You don't know how, you just know the numbers. But I'm going to do it the long way. I'm going to take 36 and I'm going to figure out all the possible factors, all the pairs of numbers I could multiply to get 36. Okay, so I can do 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. All of those combinations would multiply to give me 36. But I need the one combination that also adds up to 15, which is here. Okay. 3 times 12 is 36, but 3 plus 12 is 15. So 3 and 12 are the numbers I'm looking for there. Okay, so those are the ones where we have to think a little bit. Let's try one more together. We've got 20 on top, that's our product. 9 on the bottom, that is our sum. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 20, but add up to give me 9. So my possibilities are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, or 4 times 5. So which ones add up to 9? That's going to be right here. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay,